Hi, I'm Elena Renz, ANGA Certified Rock Guide. When you're cleaning a trad route and you're following, there's several nuanced things that you can do to be cleaning like a pro. As you're climbing up to a piece on a single link sling, gain control of it to avoid it hitting you in the face. You want to rack this on your body high and tight. That way things aren't dangling down below your knees, presenting a risk of tripping or getting caught up on the rock below you. When you remove an alpine draw that's clipped directly into a piece, it's way more pro to remove the piece from the rock first and then use the free racking carabiner and attach that to the gear loop on the side of your harness. If you attach one of the other carabiners, it could hang too low and then it's dangling down below your knees and you don't look so pro. Similar to an alpine draw, if it's just a quick draw attached to the piece, take the top carabiner of the quick draw, attach it to your gear loop, and keep right on rolling. When it comes to removing stoppers, they may take a little bit of work. First thing you want to do is give it a sharp upward tug to see if you can pop it right out of the constriction. If that doesn't work, get out your nut tool and give it a pop right between the wires to see if you can get it out of that constriction. Stoppers are really durable, so don't be afraid to give it a good punch. If you don't clip it to your harness first, you run the risk of dropping the gear. Once it's clipped to your harness, give it a sharp tug to make sure it's clipped to your gear loop and not some random piece of clothing.
Perfect.
If the piece is clipped directly to the rope without any sort of extension, go ahead and remove the piece from the rock, let it dangle next to your knot, and then when you get to a more secure stance, you can re-rack it onto your gear loop.
Now go ahead and clean it. Alright.
This is a great example of what not to do. You can see the piece dangles too low, which could become a tripping hazard. We want to keep things high and tight. That way you look like a pro. With a little bit of practice, cleaning gear will be second nature, which will free up your attention to focus on the climbing and have an awesome day.